Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got some new glasses to show you. I'm very excited about it. I didn't know it was this when they arrived, so I literally ripped open the parcel and I was like, oh my god, it's my glasses. This is a collab with the brand. It is Vlook Eyewear, Vlook Optical. They are an online eyewear brand. They approached me and asked if I would like to choose some glasses and review them online for you guys. And I said yes please. They're super affordable. I will leave all the links to my ones down below, and I'll leave a link to the website as well. They have given me a discount code which is loose15 and you get 15% off the entire website, which is just amazing. And I'll leave links and all of the information down below. So these have been sent to me for free to review, but as you know, I'm always honest with my reviews because nobody likes a bullshitter. So yeah, Vlook Eyewear, Vlook glasses, I'm so excited. I was really surprised. This is a little bit of a tangent. This is my first video filming since, oh my god, I've just done a couple of vlogs since before Christmas, and I wasn't expecting this. I knew it was coming, but I didn't know. I didn't have the tracking number or anything. And a Hermes man turned up at my door today, and we all know, if you've been here before, Hermes don't deliver to me. There was an argument with a Hermes driver like 2 years ago, and they haven't delivered to me since. They've stolen parcels. It's just been a massive ordeal. But it was a Hermes man, and I was like, hello? And he gave it to me and took a picture of me holding it and then left. And I ripped it open and I saw what it was. So yeah, I'm just very excited, and it's just, yeah, very excited. So let's get in. There's 5 pairs they let me choose from. They give me a really big list of ones that I could choose from. And they're all like super well wrapped. So give me a second to get them out of the plastic prisons, and then we shall begin. Okay, so they're all out of the bubble wrap. I am in love with these boxes. They're really hard wearing, nice sturdy boxes. I do just need to say, I know some people are a bit funny about buying glasses online because you can't get them altered, but I have previously bought glasses online and I've never had any issues with them. So my glasses that I've bought from opticians that are close to me, I have issues with. Like, not all of them, but some of them. So just be aware. I've never had issues buying online. So let's have a look. I can't even remember what I ordered. It was ages ago. So we, oh my god, she's fancy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you've got a little thing with your glasses in, and then I've just seen, what is all this? So we've got a little barcode scanner with all the socials on it. Thank you for choosing Vlook Optical. Return exchange policy, 365-day product guarantee, means customers are eligible for a one-time replacement pair within 12 months. A one-time replacement pair will be only issued if there are clear defects in material or workmanship. There's a 14-day fit and style guarantee, which allows customers to send and return equal ones to make sure they're happy with them. Your customised glasses, designer case, eyeglasses cleaning cloth, a mini screwdriver and an extra pair of nose pads. That's amazing. So you get like that all in. That's awesome. I had no idea that was coming, so that's really exciting. So let's have a look at these ones. Oh, they're beautiful. I'm so excited. They're all prescription, by the way. I sent my prescription off. Look at these. I'll put the names of them on the screen because I can't remember off the top of my head. I went rogue. I went and got some fancy ones. Oh my goodness. So they're like aqua, and then they've got like the teal colour, and then they've got the leopard print. Oh my god, I freaking love those. These ones are called ALVIE, and I will again, I'll put all the prices on the screen for you guys. But yeah, these are called ALVIE. Let me know what you think. They're really comfy. I was really surprised. They've got the really nice like big nose pad bit there. I've got a big old face as well, so I was nervous. I really like those. Oh my god! Right, okay, that's the first pair. We'll just put them there. I'm going to just put all the little boxes there. Right, next one. Again, they all have the screwdriver so far in them. I went rogue. I went rogue. Oh my god, I'm not sure about these ones now. I've seen them in the flesh. What do we think? Oh, I don't know if they're a bit Dame Edna. What do we reckon? My mum said they were Dame Edna when I showed her on the picture. These are called ALBIN. I kind of like them. I don't know if I'm brave enough. Am I brave enough to wear these all the time? I just like the idea of having fancy glasses for different things. But the prescription is perfect as well. It's really nice. There's no, like, it doesn't actually look, when I'm looking through it, it looks like I just had to touch it then because it felt like there's nothing there. But obviously there is because it's glasses. What do we think? I don't know if I'm brave enough with those ones. The first ones, I love them. I'm just not sure if I'm brave enough to wear those. Okay, I'm just going to put all the little boxes over there. So I got 4 pairs of reading glasses and then I got a pair of, these are the sunglasses. These ones are called VAPORWAVE. This is, I've never had a sunglasses like this style before. I just thought they looked so interesting. I can't see anything. I can obviously see, but I can't see the camera because these are tinted and then that's reflecting on it. So I have no idea if they look nice or not. Let me, oh my goodness. Everything's like look holographic because of the lenses on them. I don't know. I'm going to have to take a picture of myself and have a look at those because I can't physically see on my viewfinder what they're like. Have I got a mirror anywhere? No, I haven't. So we're just going to have to, you're going to have to tell me about these ones. What do we think? I just thought they were a bit different, a bit funky. But again, yeah, they are prescription, which I've never ever had prescription sunglasses before. So that's awesome. I am, the kids laugh at me when I need to wear sunglasses. I have my normal glasses on and then I just put a pair of non-prescription sunglasses over the top of my regular glasses and look like a complete bellend. But not anymore. These are the ones that I've got, these ones because they look like cat eye glasses. These ones are called MARISH. My little girl, my middle one, has got a pair of sunglasses exactly this shape and I just thought they were so freaking cute. So they've got like the gold detail down the side and then the big plastic. I really like those ones. Really like those ones. I think the first one's my favourite, but I really do like these ones. Let me know what you think. If you think I look like a dickhead in any of them, just feel free to tell me. I don't even care. I like those ones. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Am I brave enough? Everything's really comfy so far. And then the last pair, I think, are blue. From memory, the last pair is blue. And every single one has got the little screwdriver thing in it. They are blue. These ones are called Whale. Whale. These ones feel slightly tighter on my head. All the other ones have felt like they fitted really nicely and I've got a big old head. But these ones felt like that was a bit of a squeeze. Getting that on my noggin. But the colour on that's really, really pretty. I really like those ones. I really like that with my hair. I think they look really pretty with my hair colour at the moment. I'm a fan. Let me know what you think. I love it. As I was saying, I will put all of the descriptions and all the prices on the screen and I'll link them all down below for you as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. As I said, I've never used this company before, but from trying them on and feeling them, the quality feels as nice or on par with anything that I've bought from an optical place on the high street. So this is the only one that feels slightly smaller on my face than the others. All the others felt like they fitted like really nice and comfortably, that didn't feel like a squeeze on my face. I think these are my favourite. What do you think? I think these are my favourite. I'm very aware that this video has been a lot of me up close. Hi, you okay? So yeah, let me know. I'm really, really happy. Thank you so much to Vlook for sending me these. I just feel like a super fancy lady. Like, I've got a pair of glasses for every day of the week now. It's very exciting. For someone that normally only has one pair of glasses, I can be like, change my mood depending on my eyewear. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below and the description, the discount code as well. I'm just very excited. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. I love you, bye.